Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got the same car, 981 Cayman GT4 that we just finished replacing the brake pads, as you can see here. We cleaned the caliper after as well, make sure it's nice and clean, no more dust. But at the same time, we have to look through the holes on the brake disc and then see which one is blocked. Just the big holes, these ones. And then we have to put the screwdriver through it, but usually we just put the screwdriver through it to show us how to do it. We're going to put it through anyway. Yep, every single one of them, just in case. So I'll try to find one on the other side to show you guys what I mean. Try to find one that's blocked.
Oh, that one already clean it.
This one's already done?
Yeah.
How about the front one?
Already done.
Oh, done, okay.
Only that one I haven't done.
Anyway, so yeah, I was gonna show there's a few ones that's all blocked here, but I can't show you because we already cleaned it already. So the technician was too quick to do it. But anyway, but what we do is we clean it because sometimes it's full of dust and you can't even see through it. But now you can see through it now, so it's part of the actual. If you're not replacing the disc and you got a cross drill disc,
Yeah, find that one block.
make sure you actually clean it properly, just in case. All right. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.